Dwarf Chinquapin oak is one of the 7 native oaks of Nebraska, and as such, it's a plant that knows how to live in Nebraska. It knows how to live in the hot, in the cold, knows how to live in the wet, in the dry, and it knows how to live in the wind. So it's a great application for both urban and rural landscapes. From an urban perspective, it's a native tree that's also a keystone species. So as a keystone species, it serves as a larval host for a large number of moths and butterflies. The other advantage of an urban landscape is its size. Its mature size is about 15 feet by 15 feet. So it fits in a lot of places in a small urban lot that gives you a chance to put a woody plant, a woody native plant into your landscape. Although it might work best as a naturalized plant, you could be that neighbor and put it in the front yard and put Christmas lights on it. From a rural perspective, it's a great habitat plant. It is a member of the white oak family, so it sets acorns very early, often less than 5 years from planting or 5 years from germination. So as such, it makes a great addition to a food plot for turkeys, deer, blue jay, squirrels, a large number of other wildlife. The other aspect that makes it work well is a great addition as a deciduous component of a multi-row windbreak. If you think a windbreak that's just getting established, you have small evergreen trees. You could put a dwarf Chinquapin oak between those trees to fill that gap. For all these reasons and more, the dwarf Chinquapin oak is a great plant for your landscape. So let's send it over to Gannon for the weather.